Very good morning, all students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. Today we start our lecture number 28, subject EVS, chapter number 8, bank. Okay, so first I tell you what is bank, what do you mean by bank. Okay, so you have seen everyone, your parents and every person was engaged some work. So they are doing some work, like some are artisans, some are doctors, some engineer, farmer, industrialist, and so on. When they are work, they all are paid some wages. Okay, they get some money on that, some in class of work. Okay, so that is called when they use some money, some amount of money in their household. Okay, so they use their money in household work, and they some amount at the balance was kept as a saving for future. Some of amount they use for their household work. Okay, they they purchase some household things, and some of money those who have balance are kept in bank. So what is bank? So I will tell you, bank is an organization. Okay, people deposit the saved money. Okay, people deposit the saved money in the bank. So what is bank? Listen carefully. Bank is an organization where people deposit their money and get loan at the time of interest. Understood? Yes. Now I'll tell you, there is a one, suppose I'll tell you the story. There is a one lady went on a bank with her mother. Okay, and her mother took a withdrawal form. What is a withdrawal form? Means to take or move out something. This is your, suppose this is your bank. Understood? This is your bank. Withdraw and deposit. They, this is the word related to bank. Okay, withdrawal means we have to take out money from bank. Okay, we have to take out, this is called withdrawal. And when we put some money in bank, when we put money in bank is called deposit. Okay, so put something in your bank, or that thing is called deposit. Or when you take out your money in a bank, so this is called your withdrawal. Understood? Now I'll tell you, whenever you have complete the form, there in a bank one form is given. When you fill the form, then you have to submit that form to the clerk. Who is the clerk? Clerk is a person. Clerk is a person who works in a bank or office dealing with records. They take that forms and they give it to the cashier, those who give you cash. Okay, they are called cashiers. Okay, and in place, when they take, they have take your form, they will give you a token when you have to withdraw your money. Okay, so now what is the main thing of bank? What the bank give you? The money, what you have put in bank, your money. And what is the meaning? Why you give money in bank? Bank give you interest. Interest means, interest is an extra money. Interest is an extra money. Whenever you put your 1000 rupees in 1 month, bank give you some interest on it. Okay, suppose whenever you put your 10,000 rupees in a bank, bank give you an extra money, that is called interest. Interest is an extra money provided by the bank on your deposit money. Okay, whenever you deposit your money, bank give you interest. Understood what is interest? Now I'll tell you the next thing. You all know what is interest, what is bank. Now that next thing is saving account. Then I'll tell you, whenever you have to open account, what are the things are necessary to keep. Okay, what are the necessary things you have to keep with you whenever you have to open your account. Okay, so first one is passport size photo. Another one, Aadhaar card. You all have Aadhaar card. Third thing is your ration card or PAN card. Ration card, PAN card. Or fifth one is driving license. If you have driving license, then you have to give. This is not compulsory, fifth one, but the bank asked you have driving license or not. Okay, they give you. Then account, whenever you have opened your account, you have to keep with this document. Okay, this is the necessary documents you have to keep with you at the time of opening an account. Okay, so understood. Now I'll tell you what is saving account. Okay, listen carefully. What is saving account? An account is which one can withdraw the money he or she wishes, is called the saving account. It means an account is an account where pupils withdraw or deposit the money when he or she wishes. That is called saving account. Now I'll tell you one more thing is what is the minimum amount to keep your money in bank. That is 500 rupees. Understood? Bank, the minimum amount of which is to be compulsory, you have to be deposit in the bank. Whenever you have to open your account, you have to compulsory put at least 500 rupees. Understood? Now I give you some questions related to this. Okay, now one more thing is there. What is there whenever the bank whenever you open your account in saving account in a bank give you a passbook. This is called, in passbook everything is written, what you have deposited, what you have deposited in your bank, what you have withdrawn in your bank, each and everything statement is written in your passbook. Okay, understood what is passbook? The passbook for such account has saving account written on it. Okay, what is written on it? Those who have opened your saving account, there is written saving account written on it. Understood? So you have to write today's questions, write neat and clean, and you have to write answers by yourself. Okay, good day.